Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. And I'm going to show you how to take a basic table runner that you're making and add just a little flair to the edges. And it's called rickrack. So if you look closer on this one, you will see rickrack around the edge. So in the description section below your YouTube screen, I will have cutting instructions on how to make a drink coaster, a placemat, or the table runner, or all three. And the way they're put together is all the same. So you're using two different fabrics, or you can use the same fabric on the front and the back. I always look for scrap fabric to put on the underside, but you don't have to do that. You can really put anything you like. On the fabric that's going to be on the top side, your pretty side, I'm using lightweight fusible interfacing. So one side is rough, and that's the side that you want to put underneath the fabric that's for the top. So you want to fuse that on, and you just follow package instructions for fusing it on. After you've cut your fabric out, and again, the measurements are listed below your YouTube screen, you're going to layer your two fabrics together, whether it's for the placemat or the table runner. Get all your fabric pieces together, and then down in the corner, you're going to place something round. It can be a template like this, or take a lid from a jar, and you're going to trace around that curved edge and then cut it off. And you're doing it at all four corners. If you're doing the drink coaster, you're going to do the same thing. Put your fusible web on, and you're cutting out 5-inch circles for the coaster. Now I'm going to show you how to put the rickrack on. Now the rickrack is put on the same way, no matter if you're making the table runner or the placemat or even this coaster. So on this piece of fabric that has your fusible web on it is where you want to attach the rickrack. So place your rickrack close to the edge and then stitch towards this outer edge here. You're a little off center, and stitch that all the way around. Once you've got that done, take your other piece of fabric and then pin it down around all of the edges. And I'm going to turn it over. And you're going to stitch right on top of your stitch line where you had the rickrack stitched on, because it's going to show on the underneath side. Then you're going to leave an opening to where you will not stitch over it. So you'll start here, back stitch, go all the way around right on top of that stitch line, and then back stitch again. Then you're going to go around all of the edges, the round edges, and do little clips. Make sure you're not cutting into your stitch line. This will help it lay flatter. Then go in through your opening and turn it front side out. When you turn it front side out, the rickrack will appear on the edge. So now on the back side, I'm turning it over. Now here's your opening edge on the back side. You're going to turn it inside and then give this all a good pressing. And then you're going to stitch about 1/8 of an inch or real close to the edge all the way around. Here is the table runner. You do the same thing. Stitch close to the edge all the way around, and you also do that on the placemat. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's really an easy project. Like I said, you can do one of the projects or all three. You can also, when you're doing your coasters, use up some of your scrap fabric. Maybe make each coaster a different print of fabric. They can all coordinate as far as season if you want to, or have something fun on one side and then something a little more simpler on the other side. These are just a great beginner project. Now, if you're interested in other table runner projects, placemats, or coasters, look down below your YouTube screen in the description section for those playlists. So you scroll down below your screen and click on the words Show More, and then it will expand open and you will see the links appearing. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl, this is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.